Hey, what's up, crew? Today we're going to be checking out the SIGG Insulated Cup from the Fall/Winter Week 9 drop.
Hey, look, it's above me now. It's above me. You want me to answer all of your questions, but it's above me now. It's above me. Hey, why you ain't stressing?
Alright, so first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. Let's get everybody knowing these different Supreme items. People can know what's legit, what's not legit. You know, you guys can also check out some new tunes. I got my buddy Rommie Brown with the tunes today. Yeah, he just hit me up, and yeah, he's got some dope stuff. So, we're checking out some different things. I'm collabing around with everybody in this world. We need to hook up with those other people that are like-minded, those other artists and whatnot, for me anyways. Yeah, get to know each other and help each other out. So Supreme sent these register to vote stickers, which whatever, I mean, still haven't decided right now who wins. I mean, I'm from the United States, I live here, and yeah, it's crazy. It's all just for entertainment, it seems like, but you know, what's new? Look at what we're doing. So, anyways, looks like Supreme wrapped this in a bunch of paper. Maybe somebody let them know that they don't want to get damaged goods. I don't know how you guys have done with the history of your items, but yeah, sometimes Supreme can have some issues. There's something inside of this here. This is nothing marked on this, but let's see what kind of paper is in this. Okay, we got our cup here. So if you're gonna make some soup and you want to bring it to work, you can do that. I might bring this to work. I might just, you know, have some soup. I keep thinking of that Adam Sandler movie. I can't remember what it's called. Oh man, it's so funny. He's got like this belt. It's actually red, like this one. But yeah, he has a ton of fun with the different things that his soup canister can do. If anybody wants, oh geez, what did I just do? So yeah, you have a good seal on this little cap here on the inside. Just plastic. You got some branding on here. SIGG branding. And then you only got the Supreme just on the outside of the bottle. Yeah, SIGG up at the top up there. And then you got your information on the bottom of the bottle here. And you got your tag on there, your sticker tag, all that info around there. And just for anybody who's wondering, yes, I'm putting fingerprints all over this. It's insane. But no, seriously. The other SIGG bottle from, I don't remember which drop this was, but I did make a review for this bottle. So there you go. It is a little bit bigger, it seems. They're both, actually, this is a 1 liter and this is a 0.75. So this one does hold less. You can kind of tell. I mean, and this one is insulated, so there's some double layering in there. So it's, you know, you're losing a little bit of space with just that insulation. This one, no insulation, so the water goes right to the edge of the metal casing for this other SIGG bottle from who knows when. Like, I totally forgot. I think I might use this one for work. I never did end up using this one. I just have some bottles that have a better opening, I guess. I might use this one, still saving it. And then let's see, I have these mugs. I don't know how they are size wise. Maybe somebody else wanted to compare, but there you go. There's your size difference for the Heller mugs. Is that what these are? Let's see. Yeah, these are those Heller mugs. So just wanted to give you guys a breakdown, give you guys some comparison to the other different mugs and cups that Supreme has, so you can kind of know the sizing. But yeah, this thing should keep everything, insulated. It says it keeps stuff hot for 20 hours, cold for 24 hours. So there you go. Definitely a nice little bottle there for anybody wanting to keep some warm soup as they're traveling around or whatever and not able to go to a restaurant, or maybe you just like homemade cooking that much. I do actually try to pack a lunch every day when I go to work. I don't always eat out, but I mean, like today I had to go pick up some Carl's Jr. I mean, whatever, just get that hearty sandwich. I love it. And the curly fries, I mean, come on, I love curly fries. But anyways, I am gonna shoot some positivity at you guys from the book of 1 Peter in the Bible, chapter 2. We're going to read verse 9 today. But you are a chosen race, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people for his own possession, that you may proclaim the excellence of him who called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. This verse is really hinting back to when Jesus was teaching his disciples how just to love and care and to just have human ethics at the very top of your priorities. And that's why Jesus suffered and died, is because he was trying to basically create this society where people were loving each other and caring about each other. And it was basically portrayed to the government of that time by the religious leaders as a plot to create a new form of government. But I'm all for that form of government that Jesus had. So that's how I live, and I just live live it as an exile in whatever land or whatever government I'm in. I just live in exile in that land, but I am actually a citizen deep down inside of my heart to Yeshua, to Jesus. Cool, yeah, Jesus is a really popular name, but Yeshua is his actual name. I mean, come on. And honestly, it translates to Joshua, so using Jesus is kind of weird in general. I mean, I probably brought this up before, but I do have a lot of videos, so maybe you haven't heard that, but a ton of things are messed up with translation of the scriptures, and people just use Bible verses to back their agenda, and we got to really stop that. I really don't think that we should read just the Bible. We should read all these other books, some different books, maybe about ancient Near East culture, or about Greek translations, or ancient translations, or even ancient lifestyles, the cultures back then really need to be understood for you to get a total grasp about what the Bible is actually saying. Because this verse is really talking about how the way of Jesus is a group of people who are creating like their own nation, and it's not an us versus them where there's an enemy for the people who aren't part of this nation or this group. No, it's about we have been enlightened to understand that life is more about just me and fulfilling my pleasures. Now it's about helping other people and showing other people this way of living with love for every living thing. And you know, I'm still on this journey of learning about Yeshua and learning about the teachings that different really amazing people throughout history have tried to teach humanity about acceptance and about love. So I'm just going to keep down that journey. Hopefully you guys keep down that positive trail as well. It definitely helps out just in your psyche and your mind, being level-headed, being just able to take on whatever comes at you, because it's not about me anymore. It's about trying to reach out to humanity and create this new community where we are being a shoulder to lean on, being someone there for everybody around us. So anyways, I love you all. Sorry about my squeaky chair. I feel like it's gotten really squeaky lately. I might have to try and get a different one or something. I don't know, but whatever. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the review and the little talk here. So stay positive.
Might have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a stack, won't try to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life.